All right, good day, everyone. Welcome back to another educational video here from your SMS team. That's right, Sales Management Solutions. I'm Scott Mulvaney, and my counterpart here today from New England is Ron Begley. And we're here to catch up with you again on something important to us, near and dear to our hearts, is our business partnerships with an organization called Blue Hawk. There's multiple manufacturers that we represent up the Northeast corridor here of the USA. And over half of our line card, which Ron will show you in a second here, actually are Blue Hawk partners. And Blue Hawk partners basically a buying group that a choice selection of wholesalers here in our markets partner with our manufacturers that are also in that buying group to just promote a better deal, better pricing, more value that ends up passing on to the contractors. So that being said, outside of Pennsylvania, New Jersey, upstate New York, this is my neck of the woods. Jennifer Flodine, our founder, she's also in this region as well. But we let Ron take the reins when it comes to New England. So Ron, why don't you obviously catch the team up on who you are, what you're doing, and then let's take a peek at our line card quick.
Absolutely. Thank you for that introduction, Scott. As Scott said, I represent all of New England. And as you can tell, us as SMS, Sales Management Solutions, we actually represent the entire Northeast with our products. So to the right of our line card, you'll see the different areas that we represent for each of these manufacturers. So today, as Scott was saying, we want to hit heavy and hard on our Blue Hawk manufacturers that we work with. So to get us started, we're going to go with 521, compressor saver surge protectors. Air Technologies is next with fire and life safety products, everything from fire dampers, seal and radiation dampers, and louvers. Then we jump down to Thermoflex, which is going to be your commercial and residential flex duct. Ultravation is going to be your indoor air quality solutions. And then we're going to look at Vimco, engineered solutions, vibration isolations, etc. So Scott's going to take over and he's going to dive a little bit deeper into each one of these products.
Yeah, thanks for the handoff, Ron. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, we're just going to show you some quick visuals just to help you tie together what we're talking about with these different companies, because some Blue Hawk partners watching this video are familiar with these and some are not. So as a quick reminder, 521. 521's brand name was really invented and created based off of their very popular compressor saver. There's multiple manufacturers of equipment out there that actually spec our product because it's a true compressor saver. It is not a hard start kit. Those are confused often, but please reach out to us if you want to get more training for your teams on helping understand product differentiation and making sure a Blue Hawk partner like 521 shines above the rest. So beyond the compressor savers, though, as a quick reminder, they do make other products. We do have a very popular selection of equipment surge protection. There's even a new one coming out soon. And specifically, the one we love right now is the new TPSPD. This has the latest specs and UL requirements for a thermally, keyword thermally protected surge protector. So definitely reach back out to us to get more information on that, especially during the Blue Hawk buy season. 521 quick starts. The quick starts are a great equipment upgrade when it comes time to service refrigeration equipment. It replaces all three electrical components in one kit. So that's the other thing that's really helpful about 521. Now, moving on. Ron mentioned Air Technologies, AKA ATI, as we like to say. So again, this is a Pittsburgh-based company right in Pennsylvania. And it's obviously everything is made in the USA. This is your metal partner for all things fire life safety, as Ron read off of the line card. So you got everything from air control dampers to fire dampers to CRDs, AKA ceiling radiation dampers. We have the UL ratings. We have the UL listings, the latest and greatest that are required for specifications. We do have combination fire smokes. We do have access doors. And obviously beyond CRDs and all this other fire life safety, we make louvers and we make air control dampers as well. So huge Blue Hawk partnership. You don't need to stock these things. Most of our Blue Hawk partners are just taking on the specifications and the quotes and getting this stuff quoted. And this stuff usually drop ships right to a job site. So please take advantage of this. Please send us your quotes as your Blue Hawk partner from Air Technologies. Ron, I know you love Thermoflex up there in New England. You're aggressively growing the market for us with the Blue Hawk partners up there. So why don't you catch people up on this?
Yeah, so Scott said Thermoflex. With Thermoflex, one of the coolest things about these guys, it is a full line of products. So you have everything from your residential to your commercial solutions. Your R values, as you can see on the screen right there, go all the way up to 8. You do also have non-insulated available. So some of the notable options on there, you do have your standard jackets, which typically are like silver or foil, if you will, or the black jacket. A lot of people are going with the silver jacket these days. And that's a lot for residential. And moving over to the commercial side, we do have some of the specialty products going with Thermoflex as well. So you'll see here with Everclean, you get that insulated, non-insulated with some of the different commercial products. And then with products such as the Everclean, you do sometimes meet the qualification of lead applications too. So keep that in mind with our stuff. Keep our specialty products in mind for MRI and magnetic imaging, specialty rooms, MRIs. And we also do have products that are acoustically rated for these guys as well. So a lot of specialty products. And then you do have your normal residential, commercial applications available. And then you do have all the accessories to install our flex duct as well. So Scott's showing you our flex flow elbow, he's showing you our flex tie, flex boot, snap lock clamps. And then we also have thermo sleeves available too for pipe installation.
Yeah, that's an unsung hero right there. A lot of people forget about the thermo sleeves. So thanks for bringing that one up out of the notable options. I think that just drops away sometimes, but there are markets, especially in upstate New York, I know, that do love a thermo sleeve application. So, all right, moving on, because again, we want to hit hard, hit fast for Blue Hawk. Ultravation. I've got some Blue Hawk partnerships. They love us for the media filtration, MERV 11, MERV 13 class filtration. They're using us for our high-end powder-coated filter cabinets, support boxes, etc. And then I have other Blue Hawk partners that actually lead with UV and all of our ionization components for residential and commercial, mind you. We are a full product line IAQ, indoor air quality partnership right out of Vermont. A reminder, you get it all. You can go filters, you can go cabinets, you can go UV solutions for ductless, obviously traditional unitary systems as well, and then go fully up the line to a full commercial offering, which means you can help the school systems right now, which are getting a lot of funding for this. You can work with hospitals, you name it, we make it. We got everything covered, residential and commercial. All right, that being said, last Blue Hawk lineup from the line card that Ron dropped on you was Vimco. Vimco is a leader in vibration isolation. That is a full engineered line per the line card. So everything from pads to hangers to mounts to even flex duct connectors, which are very, very popular. We make it. They are engineered. They all have specifications. We even have an engineer at the factory to help with takeoffs and quotes of that nature as well. So that is our sharing of actual little hot points digging into each manufacturer. Ron, why don't you bring the line card out one more time as we close this video out for our Blue Hawk partners? Anything else you wanted to add to that stood out to you?
Absolutely. So as you can see, we represent multiple lines today. We're hitting hard on the Blue Hawk lines, but with 521, those should be on every single compressor out there. The surge protector should be on every single split system or anything that should require a surge protector on it. Air technology, Scott mentioned, we have everything from fire dampers to access doors, including louvers. And Thermoflex, you have your full line of products here with your commercial and residential and some specialty products in between. Ultravation, everything from rooftops to mini splits to progressive media. And we also do have portable units with these guys too, which are a really big deal right now too. And then Vimco, so you do have your vibration solutions with these guys, pads, hangers, mounts, etc. You also do have flex connectors, and we also do takeoffs with Vimco as well. So that kind of takes a burden off a contractor's back, a burden off of the wholesaler, and places it on Vimco, which they're very happy to do. So definitely want to mention each one of those.
Awesome. Well, thanks for running back through the line card again. Ladies and gentlemen, again, you can hit us at 844-887-2537. One of our team, either myself, Ron, Jen, or internal teammate, Tara, we got you covered. But again, go visit smsteam.co to learn more about our product lines. We do have a YouTube channel. All of the information's out there. We're constantly pushing out videos like this to grow more training support for you all. So again, we do love our Blue Hawk partners. Ron and I are heavily busy out in the field. Jennifer's right there behind us also as well. So if you need it, if it's Blue Hawk related, we got you covered. Over half of our manufacturers' relationships are integrated into this solution. So remember, this time of year, buy blue, and we'll talk to you guys again soon.